Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am partnering with JCPenney to share Valerie and I's cozy holiday night routine. JCPenney truly believes in the importance of family time during the holidays and wants you to have more time with family via shopping online, gifts that bring families together, and so much more. And you guys already know how much I value family time. So I want to share with you guys a typical night routine that we do during the holidays that's fun, relaxed, and of course cozy. So first things first, Valerie and I start our holiday night routine with some sort of arts and crafts project. Today, Valerie and I painted a penguin that could be used as a door decoration or an ornament, but I like to switch the activities up so that way she doesn't get bored. By the way, if you have a toddler that loves to paint, that is a great activity because Valerie gets she focuses so hard on it and she loves painting so much that it's hard for me to even get her to get up out the chair and move on to something else. So yeah, she loves it that much. It's such a fun activity and it can keep her still for about 30-ish minutes or so. So I love doing that. And of course, once we get done, I have to wash her hands off so that way we don't get paint everywhere. And then we move on to a little bit of playtime while I get dinner ready. So for that particular night, I kept dinner pretty simple and easy. Valerie was not feeling that well that day, and she was being super duper picky all day as far as what she was willing to eat. So I stuck to what I knew for a fact she would eat so she wouldn't go to bed hungry. So I decided to do veggie fish sticks, sweet potato fries, and some raspberries for her. And thankfully, she ate that entire meal, so it was definitely worth it. But y'all, when I tell y'all she was picky that day, she was being so picky. I think that's just a toddler thing in general. For me, I just kept it very simple as well. I'm trying to eat clean even on the holidays. So I decided to just do chicken, vegetables, no carbs at all, just those two things because y'all, I got to get it together. I got to get it together. So I went ahead and prepped that. And then, of course, I'm going to get Valerie all together, get her in her chair, and then we eat dinner. So usually around this time, which is at the end of dinner, one of her sets of grandparents will usually call her and FaceTime her. So here she is talking to my parents, and while she does that, I go ahead and get the dishes out the way, wash all those, put those up, and all that good stuff. I pop in a couple of cookies for Val and I before we go to bed, so we'll enjoy those in a little bit, but as those warm up, I will go ahead and get her dressed for bed. The PJs that Val is wearing is from JCPenney, and I love them because they come in matching PJs for the whole family. Plus, there are so many styles to choose from. That's why I love JCPenney so much. They offer great styles at great value, and the store is a one-stop shop destination for a variety of stylish and affordable fashion and home decor merchandise. I mean, come on. Wouldn't matching PJs be a great gift for your family? It's definitely become a tradition in my household, and JCPenney makes it that much more fun and affordable. And of course, I had to go ahead and throw on my matching PJs as well. If you guys can't tell, mine says Mama Bear and Val says Little Bear. So they are super cute, right up my alley because I love matching PJs. And I also am wearing these like little sock slippers from JCPenney as well. They are so cozy and soft and fluffy. I wear them literally every single day. So you guys, JCPenney's literally has so many options for great gifts at an affordable price. So I went ahead and just took those cookies out the oven. They are nice and warm, ready for us to eat. And I also wanted to go ahead and make a cup of hot chocolate. And this pajamas all day mug is from JCPenney as well. And this would be a great gift because it came with a matching set of like shower gel, bath salts, and lotion. So it'd be a great like self-care gift. I love it so much, and I plan to use this myself. So yeah, definitely a great gift idea. So I went ahead and whipped up a cup of hot chocolate for me, of course, and gathered a few cookies on a plate for Valerie and I. And here's a quick look of how our decor looks for the year. So it's just nice and warm and cozy with the Christmas lights on. I love it so much. And it definitely kind of really elevates like the whole holiday vibes in our household. So I am all for it. And last but not least, Valerie and I will kind of chill on the couch, eat some cookies, read a book, watch some TV, just all that fun stuff before bedtime. And that pretty much wraps up our holiday cozy night routine. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Again, thank you so much, JCPenney, for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys want to get your holiday shopping started, please go ahead and visit your local JCPenney or visit www.jcpenney.com. And of course, all the information is also linked down below. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye, guys.